The manufacturers of this product claim, "We tested the safe 10,000 times by hitting it with a hammer. It still works very well." They suggest using it for storing keys, credit cards, ID cards, and other items that you don't want to just leave on the entryway table. The safe can be opened with a smartphone or the old-fashioned way by entering a PIN code on the keyboard. The 2 AA batteries will last you a year. The safe is ready to work outdoors and can withstand temperatures up to -58 degrees Fahrenheit. A bunch of useful options are available in the app, from the activation log to the issuance of one-time codes. The main material is SPCC cold-rolled steel, which is often used to make computer cases. Live smarter, the manufacturers advise, and they ask $70 for their device. Just think, 24.3 billion pairs of shoes were manufactured worldwide in just 2019. That's 3 pairs for each person on the planet. While you wear one of them, you need to take care of the other 2. And this device allows you to dry 2 pairs at the same time. In general, the device is very versatile. You can dry not only shoes, but also socks, gear such as helmets, clothes, and towels. The model is equipped with a timer, and the duration of the process depends on the item and its condition. For example, wet boots need from 1 to 3 hours. A delicate mode of operation will not allow things to shrink or deform. The price is about $100. Next up is a creation by a company from Switzerland, known for its unusual watches. The inspiration for this model came from the most unexpected objects, such as Bugatti cars. In addition, the company has promised that it will produce only 25 pieces and sell them for about $253,000 each. Behind the 0.9-ounce watch is some incredibly painstaking craftsmanship. The case is made of PVD-coated titanium, and the dial is covered with a sapphire dome. The power reserve is 48 hours, and the watch withstands immersion to 98 feet. And to see the seconds indication, you have to lift the case like the hood of a car. A double or nothing challenge for the watchmaker, the manufacturer says. Here's a helper for your kitchen. It makes it easy to clean glasses, cups, bottles, and other items. The price starts at $57, and considering that people all over the world drink more than 2 billion cups of coffee every day, it'll come in handy everywhere, at home or at work. The device is made of stainless steel and delivers up to 2.6 gallons of water per minute. It is easy to install too. Everything is explained in the video manual. The seller is sure that the gadget will help you waste less water and save time. And it's easy to match the kitchen interior with the 6 colors available. By 2025, the market for UAVs will grow to about $42.8 billion, which is not surprising, because they can be used for everything, from military operations to food delivery. And of course, there are recreational drones, like this little model that costs about $50. It weighs only about 0.35 ounces, a little more than a matchbox. It has a gyroscope, an accelerometer, and 3 flight modes. Even beginners can figure out how to operate it. The 100 mAh battery is enough for about 8 minutes of flying, and it takes about half an hour to charge it up. It's perfect to have fun at home and to practice before you buy something bigger, and there are 4 spare blades included in case of a crash. Squishies, simple dimples, poppets, spinners. The market of anti-stress toys is growing tremendously and enriching our vocabulary at the same time. In 2021, the sale of poppets alone increased 16 times. That is why designers from all over the world come up with their own anti-stress toys, not to miss out on the profit. According to the seller of this model, these toys reduce stress by 80%. For a modest $4, you can keep your hands busy in order to declutter your mind and calm down. However, the seller did not specify what to do with the remaining 20% of stress. This amazing piece of engineering comes from the United Kingdom. Its manufacturers are specialists in innovative kitchen devices, and they offer a gadget to simplify the preparation of soups, sauces, porridge, and other culinary masterpieces. All you need to do is turn on the gadget, and it'll start moving around in a pot or pan, gently stirring the contents. Its legs are made up of heat-resistant nylon and can withstand up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, so your food won't stick to the bottom. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the gadget offers 3 speeds and a built-in timer. In addition, it rotates back and forth, simulating natural stirring. The price is $24.50. According to statistics, there are more than 580 million bicycles around the world, and the electric scooter market is also growing. During the pandemic, electric scooter rentals increased in popularity by 26%. No wonder there are now a bunch of accessories on the market for safe and comfortable riding. This backpack is a great example. It costs $69 and offers 4 LED lights that can work as turn signals. They're turned on by a wireless remote that's easy to attach to the handlebars. The battery lasts about 20 hours, and the backpack can be folded to the size of an iPad mini. The model has a capacity of 5.3 gallons. A typical problem for people who like to go everywhere with handbags and backpacks is that there's nowhere to put them. You don't want to put it on the floor, it's uncomfortable to hold it on your lap, and it slips off the back of your chair, which is really annoying. However, you can solve this problem for $12 with this product. The manufacturers didn't reinvent the wheel here, and simply created an ordinary folding hook. It weighs 1.2 ounces and can hold up to 11 pounds. The rubber coating on the base will save your furniture from scratches as well. Watch Dogs is a very popular game series. Digital sales of Watch Dogs Legion alone amounted to about 1.9 million copies. One of the highlights of the game is the various masks you can find. Many sites even held mask design contests, awarding the winners with collector's editions of the game and other bonuses. And many people create new masks with 3D printers. Also, you can find this model for $45 in major online stores. Buyers are offered 25 different emotions. Power comes from a CR2032 battery. The size is universal, 6.7 by 6.3 inches, and the emoji change button on the right side of the mask will make for many spectacular photos. The Halo series is no less famous. The story of the Super Soldier Master Chief began in video games, then expanded into books, comic books, a TV series, and several feature films. One of the most recognizable weapons of the Halo universe is the energy sword of the Sangheili race, the Great Warriors. A noble and ancient weapon, wielded by the strongest of Sangheili, requires great skill and bravery to use, notes one of the characters. No wonder there are plenty of fans who want a copy, and manufacturers are happy to oblige. For example, there's a $93 version of the Mega Construct series that's about 25 inches long, and now you're seeing a cooler homemade version with light effects created by a YouTuber. A 3D printed wireless charger with a sweet twist, say the authors of Treed. They followed the fashion trend for eco-friendly products. The body of the device is made of a cornstarch-based material, and the cables are partly made of straw. Plus, the shape of the device reminds us of beehives, and the authors point out that bees are very important for the planet. For example, they are the ones who pollinate 80% of flowering plants. Each buyer can assemble their own Treed from components of different colors. A total of 1,296 combinations are available. And if your smartphone supports MagSafe, the purchase will also come in handy as a phone stand. Being eco will cost you at least $36. Did you know that the woman who invented spinners never became a millionaire? The fact is that she invented this toy in 1993, and by the time spinners became popular, her patent had expired. But you can still feel echoes of the spinner fever to this day. Companies around the world are producing and selling their own versions. Lights and sound effects, unbreakable bearings, exotic shapes and materials like titanium. The imagination of the manufacturers is limitless. For example, these models from Amazon are equipped with a low-noise bearing and spin for up to 5 minutes, and this version from AliExpress offers an innovative design and several lighting options. The price starts at $19. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.